In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to react to messages in Facebook Messenger. Reacting to messages is a quick way to show how you feel without typing a full reply. It can save you time, keep conversations fun, and help you respond even when you're busy. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the basic process step by step so you can start using reactions confidently. First, open Facebook Messenger and go to your list of conversations. Look through your chats and click on a conversation you want to open. This could be with a friend, a family member, or a group chat. Once you click on a chat, it will open up and you'll see all the messages that have been sent back and forth. Now, find the specific message you want to react to. It might be a text, a photo, or any message that appears inside a chat bubble. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the right one, especially in busy group chats where messages move quickly. Next, look for the small emoji icon that appears beside the chat bubble. Depending on your device, this emoji may show up when you hover your mouse over the message or when you tap and hold the message on a mobile device. The key idea is that the emoji icon is linked to that specific message, not the whole conversation. Once you see the emoji icon beside the chat bubble, click on it. A small row or panel of emoji reactions will pop up. These are the default reactions provided by Messenger, usually including things like a thumbs up, a heart, a laughing face, a surprised face, a sad face, and an angry face. Now, simply select the reaction that best matches how you feel about that message. You do this by clicking on the emoji you want to use. As soon as you select it, the reaction will appear directly under the message, and the other person or people in the chat will be able to see it. If you change your mind later, you can usually click or tap on the reaction again to remove it, or choose a different one, depending on your version of the app. This makes it easy to correct a reaction if you selected the wrong one by accident, and that's all there is to it. By opening a chat, clicking the emoji beside the message bubble, and selecting your reaction, you can communicate quickly and clearly